butterflies, it's Sam and Junks. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for all the love on my last video. I mean, I know it's not a lot in terms of YouTube, but it's a lot in terms of me, and I just feel really grateful. Today's video, we're making a vision board, and not just any vision board, because I've made vision boards in the past, but I want this one to be specific. This vision board is to heal my money mindset. I want to heal my money mindset so bad. I'm sick and tired of being broke, but it's just because I have deep subconscious beliefs that I'm poor. And I was programmed like that when I was a child, and I'm an adult now and I'm still stuck in the same patterns. And I'm tired of it. I'm so tired of it. I fully believe in the law of attraction. I fully believe in magic and synchronicity and all that stuff. So I printed out a bunch of things. I wrote some quotes, and then I also went on Pinterest and just printed out a bunch of quotes that I resonated with. And then I also just kind of went virtual shopping on Pinterest, and I basically looked up things that I wanted right now, things that are that are calling me, places that are calling me, travel, like things that I want, like I really want to go to the spa and I really want a facial, like y'all, like my skin's not that great and I just want a facial. I also printed out some Benjamins because it's good to look at. So I went to my bank account, took some deep breaths, you know, like accepted where I am, and so I screenshotted it, and then I just edited the numbers. I added a little affirmation at the bottom, and it feels so good to look at. So I actually already made one earlier and I put it on my wall, but I'm trying to manifest a little more money than that, you know? Okay, anyway, let's just get into it. I got this from Michael's, but there's just like beautiful papers. So good. I love it, I love it. Ooh, okay, that one's a good contender right there. Oh my gosh, this part is gonna take so long. I have so much to cut out. But it's kind of therapeutic, you know what I mean? Just to kind of like get lost in the craft. Having a positive bank account gives me peace and joy. It is safe to invest in myself. It is safe for me to pay off my debts. I like that. Obviously, I like it. I printed it out. So on my healing journey, so what I've learned, your subconscious beliefs create your reality. When we're born, we are all like programmed by our environment with a belief system. And I'm not saying like anybody is to blame for this, because I think we're all here for a reason, and I think we chose this journey in order to expand. I make money and have fun at the same time. Okay, what was I saying? I have been healing a lot of shit. It's taken me a long time, years of healing, to finally love myself to the point where I feel comfortable making videos like this, and love myself enough to be around other people, and love myself enough to feel comfortable being alone. I will receive a big amount of money this month. And part of it is changing my belief system. I'm using affirmations. I've been using affirmations for 3 years, and I'm finally starting to feel like I'm not just saying it to say the affirmation because I know that it will help. I feel like I'm saying it because I genuinely believe it. And I mean, I'm not like totally there. I have days off, but you know what I do? I have a better system to combat it. I have a better way to combat my feelings of negativity about myself and about my life. I use affirmations. I love affirmations. I'll probably do a whole video on them one day when I feel brave enough. But yeah, I've been really working on my self-love, and now I really want to work on my money, because we have a relationship with money. That's what they tell me. You have no idea how many YouTube videos I watch on this, because I want to be rich, but I don't want to work that hard for it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to work for nobody else. I want to do YouTube. I want to do myself, you know, but even getting the confidence to make videos like this is so hard. You guys have no idea how many failed videos I have. They're just not good enough to me. And but it's okay. I'm working on it. I'm working on being proud of myself, but at the same time, like, I do want to put out good quality content for you guys, so I'm not just gonna post whatever. It's important to me that what I make has a value. So I'm going to keep trying. I'm gonna keep telling myself, you know, it's baby steps. I am getting there. My path is not gonna look like anybody else's path. Your path is not gonna look like anybody else's. So we're gonna take baby steps every day. Every day I'm working. You guys have no idea. Every day I'm working. I'm working on healing this shit. And some days are great. And honestly, I have more amazing days than I do bad days. More beautiful, harmonic days. So it feels really good. Anyway, this shit works. I'm telling you, it works. I now do work I love, and I am well paid for it. I think we were missing green from the printer or something, because everything came out super pink and purple, and I love it.
I've been holding out, it's hard to hide the truth. You've been good to me, and all I do is lie to you. You should know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me, show you all my fantasies. It was out of fear I turned you away. Hold on to me, here's a ticket to my darkest place. Now you know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me and show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. picture. You close your eyes, I lead the way. Show ya my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna.
Okay, so I think I'm pretty satisfied with this layout. I have a bunch left over, so I think I'm gonna make like a second tinier vision board, which is these. But this is just so beautiful. I'm really happy with how it came out. Well, it's not done yet. I gotta glue everything. So pray for me that I glue it nicely.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you depend.
I cut these out from my little book of beautiful papers here because I want to add a little more magic to my vision board.
18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, crying getting old. Hope you freed your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
You guys are gonna see me manifest this. I am stoked. Is this weird that I'm holding it like this? I don't know. I'm probably going to put the leftover affirmations up around my house. I'll probably just make another board, but I'm lazy for now. This is good for now. This is amazing for now. I am pleased. What do you think, baby? Do you like it? Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Just so you guys know, I have a second channel. It's a lot of flow videos. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I do the levitation one. It's all copyrighted music over there, so that's why I just kind of keep it over there, because I'm trying to make this channel the money channel. Wink wink, subscribe, wink wink. But if you're just interested in seeing some fun trippy art, I love expressing myself through flow. I also make cute little videos of just my life. It's mostly for me to look back at and my friends, but I think they're beautiful, so I'll leave a link. I love you guys. Thank you so much for finding me here.